In this video, we'll show you how to complete a check, view submitted reports, and export results in BuildMyChecks. Part 1. Conducting a check. Step 1. Open the check. From the mobile or web app, open the check you need to complete via the dashboard. Conduct a check. Step 2. Complete the check. Fill in all required fields. Some answers may trigger additional actions using conditional logic. On-screen example: selecting no may show instructions. Additional comments or follow-up actions may be required. Step 3. Save or submit. If you need to finish later, the check will be saved in drafts. Once complete, submit the check as normal. Part 2. Viewing submitted reports. Step 4. Open reports. From the dashboard, click Reports to view submitted checks. Step 5. Quick view a report. Use Quick View to see a summary of a report without opening it fully. Step 6. View a full report. Click View Report to open the full submission. Within a report, you can view answers, attach files to individual questions, and add notes or actions using remediation. Part 3. Remediation and sign off. Step 7. Manage remediation. If remediation is required, notes and files can be added to the relevant questions. Administrators can review and sign off remediation once actions have been completed. Note: incomplete checks will remain in drafts. Part 4. Exporting and deleting reports. Step 8. Export or delete reports. On-screen text. To export or delete multiple reports, go to the Reports page, select the required reports, and choose Export or Delete. Only administrators can delete reports. Completion: you've now completed a check and learned how to view, manage, and export reports. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.